Extended breastfeeding is very, very normal and it's very okay. Wala tayong limit, mami. Ako, ini-encourage ko talaga ang extended breastfeeding kasi kahit hindi na ang ating breast milk ang pinaka main source ng pagkain ng nourishment ni baby, marami pa rin siyang nakukuhang benefits from breastfeeding. Sa akin, like ngayon, 3 years old, ayaw pa talaga. I had this one other baby na I breastfeed for more than 3 years. Tapos, pinilit kong mag-wean. Grabe, sinabi niya talaga, I'm not ready yet. So, I'm not done yet. So, may mga times na nagtatantrum siya kasi gusto niya pang bumalik mag-breastfeed. Tapos, sabi ko, Mommy, so tired na. I feel so tired na. So, that's why we have to wean kasi you have a little baby sister. Tapos, sabi niya, I'm not ready yet. Diba, sobrang sakit nun. Ang sakit nun sa heart. And yung baby ayaw pa talaga.
No!
May mga ganun ako mga moments. But I forgive myself for that. Ang isa dito sa benefit talaga na pinaka na-appreciate ko, pinaka vina-value ko is yung live na antibodies. Kasi habang lumalaki si baby, hindi na fat, hindi na protein ang mas maraming nakukuha niya. Ang nakukuha niya, gamot. So, yung antibodies, hindi nabibili yun sa butika. It's very, very alive and sa katawan lang natin pwedeng makuha yun. Lalo na kapag nagkakasakit si baby, the breast milk is really formulated by our body to target the specific pathogen, kung ano man yung nagkukos ng sakit ni baby. Yung breast natin gumagawa ng specific na antibodies para sugpuin yung nagkukos ng sakit ni baby. Like kung if it's a specific bacteria, gagawa siya ng antibody na specific to fight that kind of bacteria, or if it's a virus. So, ganun. Kaya, walang limit po, mami. I encourage you to breastfeed as long as you can, as long as your baby wants to. So, sila din ang magsasabi sa'yo na ready na sila to wean. Diba? You will know.
Want more videos like this?
Like and subscribe.